Everyone, for today I'll be discussing the core values and benefits of playing table tennis. Table tennis is not just a fun game, it's a game that teaches us lessons that we can apply in real life situations. Core values. When playing table tennis, help us build discipline. To improve, we need a consistent practice, focus. Another core value of playing table tennis is teamwork. When playing double games, we need to support and trust our partner for us to succeed together. The benefits of playing table tennis is it helps us in our physical fitness. It burns our calories faster. And the other benefits of playing table tennis is help us sharpen our mind. When playing table tennis, we intended to think faster. So, for example, when playing with a friend or with a family, we make a decision faster, not just in a game, but in real life. So, always remember the core values of playing table tennis, discipline, teamwork, and the benefits is physical fitness, sharpen our mind. So, if you're looking for a fun game and social and happy, then table tennis is for you. Thank you for listening. Table tennis, sharpen your mind, strengthen your body.